Hi everyone, Joe Levine here, professional photographer and educator. When I started working on this image, I realized that one of the most important things was going to be directing the viewer's gaze. Fortunately, as photographers, we have a lot of different tools at our disposal, and I'm going to incorporate 4 different ones. The set itself is built in layers. I have a foreground, the subject in the middle, another element in the background. They're overlapping a little bit and also staggered. The camera work, well, at least the lens, is a 45mm tilt shift or perspective control lens, and I'm running the plane of focus diagonal through the set and also diagonal through the subject. What this means is that the subject's in focus, but what's in the foreground and background are pretty far out of focus. For lighting, I wanted to create these little pools of light because generally our audience is going to look at the brightest element and then move about the scene. So I have a key pool of light right on my hero subject and some other smaller pools scattered throughout. The last element that I'm using is color. I have neutral light on the subject. The background, as you can tell, has a little bit of a cool light on it, and there's some warm light staggered throughout, creating separation. So let's go ahead and fine tune and we'll see what we have.